Good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The channel name is Sunil Ergoppa. Please do watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about SQL. This video is Introduction to SQL. So let's understand what is SQL. Let's look at the definition of SQL. As you can see here, SQL is a standard language for manipulating and accessing databases. Let us understand what is SQL. As you can see here, SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL lets you access and manipulate databases. SQL became ANSI standard in 1986. ANSI stands for American National Standards Institute. SQL became ANSI standard in 1986 and it became ISO standard in 1987. ISO stands for International Standardization Organization. Now let's see what SQL can do. SQL can execute queries against a database. SQL can create a new database. SQL can create a new table. SQL can insert records in a table. SQL can delete records from a table. There are many uses of SQL. As we continue in this course, we will learn more about what SQL can do for us. What is the uses of SQL? What is the syntax of SQL? We will study everything about SQL. So let's begin our journey. Now let us understand what is RDBMS. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. RDBMS is a program which is used to create, delete, update and manage relational data. Some of the most popular RDBMSs are Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL Server, MariaDB and etc.